Welcome once again, we love Detroit. And making sure we ride gently in my Bentley.
That's right. We are right here at the CarDome on Grand River in Detroit, and we can't wait to show you what we got. We're riding nice, aren't we, Larry?
We're riding good.
We can't wait to see you. Stay with us. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this week's edition of We Love Detroit. I am here at the CarDome, right on Detroit's west side on Grand River at 7 Mile. I'm here with the owners, Yusuf and Mahar. How are you guys today?
We're doing amazing.
I'm so glad that you have us here today. I'm excited. We have some beautiful luxury cars here. We are in the former Don Massey building, and it stands for its name right here with these two owners that are going to show you some beautiful cars. Guys, let's get into it. So Mahar, let's talk about the history of this building we're standing in.
Well, as everybody knows, this used to be a Dan Massey Cadillac.
Yeah.
We are located in the middle of 6 major cities: Farmington Hills, Livonia, Southfield, and Detroit.
Wonderful.
Redford. So we came to this building and we want to make a difference. And we want to change the face of this street, bring a lot of people to this area. We love Detroit.
Yeah.
We know this building means a lot. This is a part of the history of Detroit.
Yes.
So we took the chance of coming here knowing that the community and the people around us will help us and back us up. Come down to CarDome. We can treat you like our family.
Yusuf, let's talk about what we have here to offer.
Absolutely. So what we offer here, first of all, we're a nationwide top-rated dealer for the 2nd year in a row. And then we are called the home of the guaranteed financing. So no matter what's your credit situation, we'll take care of you. We've partnered with over 25 lenders just for your convenience. We'll get you approved, we'll get you in a vehicle, no matter what's your credit situation. So, you know, the experience, the 5-star experience that we offer to the customer, it is a full package. We offer over 200 cars in inventory.
Wow.
So we will have the cars. No matter what you're looking for, we got you covered. For financing, you know, we have prime and subprime, we have low interest rates, we have the best payment options, low down payments on all of our vehicles.
That's our favorite part.
Yep.
Okay.
Absolutely it is. And we made sure that it is, you know, we offer that convenience for all of the customers.
Fantastic, and you've got some great deals right now too for some special people. Let's talk about that.
Absolutely. So any of the employees of the Big Three, and then any veterans, any healthcare employees, and me as a student and entrepreneur, I understand how important it is to have a reliable vehicle. So we have a special program for students too. So it's tax season special where we give up to $1,000 off of the selling price.
Wow.
And it doesn't stop here. So we'll pay for an extra when you get a warranty. We'll get you another extra year. It's going to be on us.
Wow.
So that's
you can't
definitely-
beat that.
No.
You cannot beat that. That's fantastic.
Welcome to the home of the guaranteed approvals, where you can get finance no matter what your credit looks like.
Here at CarDome, in addition to sales, we have a certified body shop and service center dedicated to our CarDome family customers. Come join the family.
We do online buying experience.
Yes, that's
and
a
that's
big
really important that I wanted to talk about.
Yeah.
So full used cars online buying experience. Well, if you want to come in store, you're more than welcome. We do offer full virtual appointments to our customers, full applications online. We can literally deliver the car right to your house without you having to step in inside
That's
the door.
fantastic. So I can get online and look for the car that I want, and I don't even have to move. You guys are taking care of everything for me right
Absolutely.
there. That's
Definitely.
a great piece, guys, right there. But also, if you want to come in and have this luxury experience here at the CarDome, you can absolutely have it.
Come on in the family of CarDome, and we'll take care of you.
What are you guys' hours of operation? When can you help out?
We're open from 10 o'clock in the morning until 7, Monday through Friday, and from 10 to 6 on Saturday.
On Saturday. Okay.
We want to make sure, and I want to tell our neighbors that we will treat everybody as a customer.
Yeah.
We will not be here without their support, and the community is back up.
Fantastic.
So I want to thank the community so much for backing us up and help us to be successful the way we are, and we'll continue to do so.
Absolutely, we love it. If you guys want to have a fantastic experience, car buying experience, whether you're online or in person, you have to come down here and see Yusuf and Mahar at the CarDome. We are located right here on Grand River at 7 Mile, former Don Massey building, and we cannot wait to see you guys, right?
Absolutely.
We can't wait to show you what we got. We love Detroit, right?
We love Detroit.
We love Detroit. Come on back.